guys, welcome to the vlog. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm here flying again with Dooley. Dooley and I are going to CubFest. So we just departed Salt Lake City, Utah. And winds are nice and light. So we're making our way across the Great Salt Lake right now and gonna go up into the Boise area for some fuel. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day of flying. Thanks for joining. Please hit that like button. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more adventures. I sure appreciate your support. You guys are the best on the planet. Oh, man, I love flying. Let's go flying. Boom! Man, oh man, what a beautiful flight. It's just been so gorgeous. Flying with Dooley again is awesome. It's like super familiar. It's good to fly with him again. He's been doing tons of awesome flying. If you don't follow Dooley on his best feed, I think, is Instagram. Look up Dooley Vanyo. I think it's Dooley V is his Instagram. I'll put it in, I'll put a little graphic right here with Dooley's info. We're flying through southern Idaho, well, northern Utah still, almost crossed over into southern Idaho. Check some of this beautiful scenery out. It's just, oh man, it's so pretty. Alright guys, a lot of people ask me how low I fly or how flying in a bush plane cross country is a little different. Well, let me show you. Man, oh man, you guys, this is gorgeous. Up here in Washington, actually it might still be in Oregon. Yeah, we're in Oregon. Northeastern Oregon, just shooting down a little canyon here. Woo! Little bumpy, sorry about the bumps. Got Dooley ahead of me, about a mile ahead. Just descending now, it's all downhill to Yakima from here. About 122 miles out still. But it's been a beautiful day. Tailwinds the entire way. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, crossed over into Washington State already. This is a beautiful day. Couldn't have picked a better day for flying. Absolutely gorgeous. Loving every minute of it. These rolling hills in southeastern Washington are pretty amazing. Kind of fun following Dooley again. If you haven't seen our Bahamas trip, go ahead and click the card right here, and we'll show you that as well. And man, such a beautiful day for flying, and got about 35 minutes left of this flight, and then I'm done flying for the day, and we'll be at Cubcrafters CubFest. Here we come! I'm excited! Woo, woo, woo. Whoa, it's a little bumpy.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna put a link to the next video right here and another cool video right here. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button somewhere.